I don't think the doubters will be listening, although they might be big fans and listen to everything. I'm still getting approved. So I haven't ruined my credit. Still getting more credit, more cards, more opportunities. Still going strong in 2025, starting with all of this around 2019. So 6 years of winning.
Yeah, congratulations on your continued success, Justin. And again, always happy to do these podcasts with you so we can share some of your experience and knowledge with the listeners. Speaking of that, what upcoming travel plans do you have, Justin?
I will be going to Boston once again in about a week, and then flying to Amsterdam, staying in Amsterdam for a few nights, and then going on a Holland America comp cruise, seeing fjords, difficult to pronounce fjords, and multiple stops in Norway. Looking forward to that. That's the Wynn Las Vegas status match, currently dead deal, but I status matched when I was able to, staying 2 nights. That gave me a complimentary cruise, some free play, and food credits. Lots of winning with Wynn. Looking forward to Amsterdam. Taking so many cruises, I'm looking for new routes. So that leads me to fly to Europe.
That sounds excellent and great timing. This hot weather that's moving through most of the country, but certainly the Philadelphia area here as well. So you can escape that heat and head up north and check out the fjords.
Hopefully an adequately air-conditioned ship.
Oh boy, yeah, that would be rough. We've just returned from a long weekend at Delaware beaches that we take every year with my kids and some of their friends. And P2 is heading to California for a work trip next week. And then the holidays will be upon us, and then we'll be off to Greece. Another question for the listeners, if anyone knows a good place to park. I know, Justin, you did the park and fly opportunity at Newark. We're flying out of JFK. I think we'll likely be parking at the Jamaica AirTrain station, but if other folks have other ideas, we would be open to them. I should ask ChatGPT, Justin.
Oh, and maybe you'll get the FNBO Amtrak card. There might be a possible train ride, so you don't have to deal with the parking. That's some of my future plans.
I think it would if it was 1 or 2 of us, but the 5 of us, those Amtrak tickets, even with the points, gets a little pricey. Easier to drive up and less complicated to get home after a long flight. We'll probably do that, but yeah, the FNBO Amtrak card is on my list of Apparama cards to apply for.
Very good. Interesting. I got pending with the MGM Iconic, but then I was approved for the Amtrak, but certainly better than denied or pending or all the other negative combinations.
Maybe they just don't believe that one person can love MGM credit cards this much, Justin, and they're confused. And I know there was some question about whether you can have both the original, the OG MGM card and the MGM Iconic. So hopefully we'll find out soon.
It's destiny to have both. I must, for the show and a lot of other reasons.
It's for the show.